Gado, pero kung ipa-apply natin sa regular na paski sa barangay man lang, 'di ba? Sa barangay dispute, no? Mas napapadali ma-resolve ba kung halimbawa yung isa ay puros lang general denial at wala silang maibibigay na counter na ebidensya para pabulaanan yung mga akusasyon ng kabila. So, again, if that is their strategy, then that's their business, but ultimately they have to really defend the Vice President and explain to the people what really happened with the confidential funds, what really happened with the SALN, bakit ganito yung mga hindi na ipapaliwanag sa taong bayan saan napunta yung pera. So ultimately, yes, to give you a straight answer, that would definitely boost the charges or the allegation of the House prosecution team as contained under the articles of impeachment.
Ang dadagdag ko na lang din po, well, hanggang dulo, ang inaasahan natin ay totoong sagot. Kung walang totoong sagot, paano natin pangahawakan yung general denial na hindi totoo yan? May limitation po yan. Pag sinabing, oh, hindi totoo yan, pero wala kang po-provide na substance kung bakit hindi totoo yun. No? In a court of law, sa pagtitimbang niyan, may bigat yung sinasabi nating allegation, tapos i-prove mo yan, at wala kang ibibigay na counterweight na para masabing hindi actually totoo yun. So yes, no, sa lohika lang po, it is to the detriment of VP Sara's case that there are no affirmative defenses being provided.